Yeah, what's poppin', man? It's your motherfucking boy Dustin Brown, aka Fleroy, aka I don't give a fuck, aka I bust your motherfucking head. And I'm doing this video because all my niggas been asking me to do this video like, yo, Buzz, put the video up, spit something on the camera, So like I'm gonna do that for them, something like, see how the views go. If the views go good, then I'll put up more and more, cause the balls ain't the problem. I got plenty balls. You can get any nigga, I don't give a fuck who he is, where he from, where he been, it don't fucking matter. I'll bite his fucking head off, man. But I'm gonna do this little video just for them, just for y'all, something like your boy Fleroy. Listen, check me, I said, listen. Skinny tatted nigga, yeah, I run the block. 40 on my waist and I keep it cocked. Mom asked me, will this thuggin' never stop? I say, nah, mom, thuggin' till the day I drop. Bumpin' Lil Wayne. I'm riding with the blicky, though. Man, I swear to God, these niggas can't fuck with me, though. If you think I'm lying, then come out to my city, ho. I bet I get respect like a motherfucking general. My sisters say I'm nice. My niggas say I'm nice. These niggas can't see me like the three blind mice, but this ain't no fairy tale. I know it very well. Eyeball shit. Ain't no need for a fucking scale. You could look me in my eyes and see that I'm real. Fuck the police, that's just how I feel. And I'm rolling with a bunch of niggas mean mugging, wanting you to front so they can go ahead and squeeze something. Mama told me, hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. No, I'm not from Philly, but I'm still riding with the eagle. Man, I got some niggas in the pen, some niggas on the block. Man, I got too many niggas in the street that got shot, but I survive, my crew live, we two fly with a 2-5. If a nigga front, then we beat him out of his Levi's. I'm loyal to the banks, got a couple young bucks whipping up the yayo, 50 piece with a fat butt. Mask up if you want war. He talking hard, but I bet he got a glass jaw. Now watch me leave it on the floor. I threw the bait and he bit it, then I reeled him in. I know you see I'm tatted like a Mexican. Something like, it's your boy Fleroy, something like, man, Fetty gang all day, man. That's just something like, I got plenty more balls for y'all. The other video coming soon, man. Coming soon, man. I got y'all, man. I'ma feed y'all all day, every day, man. Holla at your fucking boy, Fetty gang in this bitch, nigga.